In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple list, add a task, assign it to the right person, and choose a due date, all within Slack's built-in tools. First, head over to slack.com in your browser or open Slack if you already have it installed. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want to track your tasks so everything lands in the right place. This process works the same across the desktop app and the web version, so use whichever you prefer. Next, look to the lower left corner of Slack and click the plus button. This is your Create menu, and it's where Slack keeps quick actions for creating new items. When the menu opens, choose List. Slack's List is a lightweight, flexible way to manage tasks without leaving your conversations, and it's perfect for keeping small projects on track. You'll see a new list surface with columns. Start by naming the first column Task. Clear column headers keep your list readable and help everyone understand what goes where. Using task as the header ensures each row represents a single actionable item. Now add your first task by typing the task name directly under the task column. Keep the title concise but descriptive enough that anyone can understand it at a glance. If it helps, start with a verb so the task makes it obvious what needs to be done, like draft weekly update or review design mockups. With the task named, assign it to the right person. In the row for your task, use the assignee field to select a teammate. You can search by their name and pick them from the list. Assigning a single owner reduces ambiguity and makes accountability clear. The assignee will be notified in Slack so they'll know they're responsible without you needing to follow up separately. Finally, set a due date. Open the due date field on that same task and select the date from the calendar picker. Choose a realistic deadline that aligns with your project timeline and keep time zones in mind if your team is distributed. A due date helps prioritize work and makes it easier to see what's coming up at a glance. That's it. You've gone to Slack, created a new list, labeled your first column as task, added a task, assigned it to the right person, and set a due date. Repeat this flow for each item you need to track. Keep titles clear, owners specific, and deadlines visible, and your Slack list will quickly become a reliable source of truth for your team's work.